Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a bit of a de-stash as I am working through my fabric this weekend. And I've got 4 bundles here, and each bundle is going to come with a really cute pincushion of Raggedy Ann and Andy. You'll get one in yours. I have 3 here, but I have another one. I just haven't got it yet. But you each get one of those for free. So the first bundle, let me show you, is Blues pincushion. This is a really lovely linen fabric, more than enough here to make books or flowers. This is a Christmas. It is fleece, not fleece, flannel, pardon me. This is flannel, and it's really pretty. It's got some stars on it. Actually, the camera's making that look dark blue, but it's actually more of a teal color. It's got more green in it. So the camera's making that look a lot darker than it actually is. It's much, much lighter than the camera is showing. So there's lots of good pieces here of that. This is a beautiful, gorgeous fabric. I love this fabric. Really pretty. Absolutely gorgeous and stunning. This is also in the linen family, I would say. So you could do a lot with that. There's a couple of very large pieces of that. Nothing's measured, but you can see they're quite large, generous pieces. So that, and then there's more of this fabric. There is some cotton broadcloth in a, I want to say turquoise color. It's really pretty, good for lots of things. And then last but not least, this adorable owl fabric. There's a fair bit of that to do something with. It just has some bits cut out of it, but there is a lot here, as you can see. More than enough usable fabric. So that is the blue bundle. That's what we'll call that one. And yes, you get one of the little pin cushions with it. The next bundle I'll do is this one here. This is like black and brown, I would say. It has this lovely silky polyester. It's really a pretty fabric. You can cut all those flowers out. It's like a black and gold. Really pretty. It's a very big piece for that. You could make a couple of books out of that, or just cut all these flowers out. They'd be really pretty cut out. Some black, just cotton broadcloth. There's a big chunk of that. Lots you can do with that. This is in the linen family, I would say. Nice big piece of this. Beautiful fabric. This is a very good quality fabric. And this would be really pretty for gypsy or even Christmas. If you liked silver and black together with white, that would be really pretty, but it's got a sparkle in it. There's metallic threads in it. It's actually really quite pretty. And then this is an upholstery weight fabric, good for book covers or junk journals. And then last but not least in that bundle is a vintage pillow cover that is embroidered. And it's got all the flowers and things on it. It's got iris and poppies and things on it. So that's that bundle. That would be the black and brown bundle. Let me move that out of the way. And then this is the green and brown bundle. You get a very big piece of sari. Really nice silk sari piece. This was not one that I got on eBay. This is one I've had for years in my stash. This is a lovely moss green fabric, and I want to say it's a cotton blend is what I'll say that is. But it's a gorgeous moss green color. You could do a lot with that if you made that into a journal cover and embellish that like a fairy book with the moss green color. That would be really nice. Beautiful feather fabric here. Nice big piece of that. Really pretty. And then just the plain brown. So you can see they all kind of go together. So that is the green and brown bundle. And then I have the black and white bundle here at the end. Another piece of this beautiful, I split it between the two bundles. Nice big piece of that. Gorgeous ombre style fabric in blacks and grays. Make gorgeous book cover. Leopard print, nice big piece of that. And this beautiful black and white fabric, good for like Alice in Wonderland or, you know, anything like that. So those are the 4 bundles I have. They are $10 a piece plus shipping. If you're interested, let me know if you want the blue one, which was the first one, the black and brown bundle, the brown and green bundle, or the black and white bundle. And yes, you each get a pincushion with those bundles. Let me know what you would like. Please respond with your PayPal and payment within 24 hours, please. That would be great. And I'll be back later with probably another DESTASH. So stay tuned, guys. Bye-bye.